Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Na Marco Amajimani so. What they call me?
No.
Papa.
Who you so brofo kesiye business? I say when resident engineer. What could do be maybe Spain for and I say Chinese for a work one so or more year. Resident engineer no. Or shorts na t-shirt. O jina baby a ya kwan no. Ghana ni a resident engineer no oba o she suit.
Oba ba professional office.
Abe kan brofo akesiye. O wie ya ona ekon.
Dog mama nyi wanu si ye. Won kai nya Ghana ha na yete na minister yesi ye yi kwan. Ye man na car no fan ko inspection also per BMW 6 series or something.
No correct. Enti much as I share with Sticker on a lot of Nyama Wakano pay. Here is about leadership. Rwanda the president say me a quine say na mpesa me faso de o man faso. Wo obetu me di akire, wo ontu me ni akire no. Emrane ne obedi. And me ankasa me wo me position a wakanfo aso ne say democracy na nheda moye. Be nansani, ye say COVID by yenhye mask, ne yemfa mo yaye ho ban mo afoforo ho ban. Enipa so mo nhye. Ye di police for ni soldier for ko jan la pass. Enipa ehye.
Baba cho leadership no. Sa do the misro momentum ho kakra boss. Ya ne limiting it to e bia na nado.
No. I'm coming
the leadership committee as say so far as the console is concerned, leadership ready to way.
I agree.
It leadership at all units. You are down on should show leadership.
I agree with you. Yamo be the cohesive power. And until now, me to me ma command no. But obi to me ma command. Enti see the omano, you see, you marshal resources and use it effectively and efficiently. I can't marshal the resources. Those we even marshal, we give it to somebody. GRA by this canal the komobi say Jennifer Yajuma. Enti say ye shemrano na ye mfa nya adwuma dia. And yes, somebody must be held responsible. You want to hear a citizen's arrest. Ne mom se yakase soldier for miensa. Me say Ghana ha. Nyamia ya dom ye nya akunda. Nyame nso me ye nya akunda. Soldier for bebrebe ye trading nyina sabi ama hodo so ne do mo ekopata ntokwa. Entin Kalapase ha soldier for 20.
Ados
Madina na asodin wa.
Dog ados La Paz. Soldier 2 pebetimi aye.
O de mom 20. Madina na asodin wa. Mom soldier for 50. Omo sori e ho no mo nko adwuma. Omo nya hwe no so ogina kwa ho no okura nituo. Wo be ka no kre. So na ekwanya eye miensa. Ekwanya eye miensa. Na utumi emma ekwan no ebedane ba ko dia. Enya na there's something wrong because enipa no ba ko a ewo ano no obi eton ade wo ho. Again leadership only say COVID by ya say lockdown. Madina baby be ye wie ye no ye so nipa nsambe ekwan no baby a service lane no ya block ho a ye obi na ho no obi ton ade ni ga wo hye no ekwan ni mfimfini kanasi ha ekwan ni mfimfini enye nchen yo mfimfini and wahye ni gwa
dog hwe nansen ye sufra ban say poku ase kwan onyemayen so ofri amasaman ba akrase ya ho
yeah
ultra festus ba no afri poku ase konum abesi ablekuma junction ho no
yeah
ekwan na ye be 2 lanes na o bia maye aye ba no
yeah
and a driver for na park back up contractor no so ye kwan no wanye ya bro
yeah
why ye designated bus stop tin bus stop no cry be 50 meters o why na tin ah tenka obetimi agina kwan nchen na kwan no dam we do ma she that block kwan na baako na no mo de aye parking ayi a o mo park wo so why na ka ho asem poku ase ye yanti
na me kan
say what amasama na wo ba adwuma wakra ha that's when free before 6 trust me we do
sometimes a chance ania as ya domel mpo say what ho o ba adwuma aso de say the psychology of it no kwa wan here betumi affect your performance. So we free in Sawom over Juma Wakra, a Chansania, a Sabi, why you bonnet?
Minia Baka, so I make a Siana Minia Baku, Sadiq Adams, Force Obama. I say right now, it is taking an hour and many minutes from Ofanko barrier to Pokuasi ACP.
Yes.
I just got there and realized an articulated track has broken down in the middle of the road since yesterday. Shockingly, there is no triangle or caution behind the car. So those that get behind it unknowingly have to change direction, causing the gridlock. Nana, do you know that just some seconds after the track, there are police and MTTD officials standing there chatting? No urgency to clear the track until someone comes to crash. We are a special kind of people.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Enti na make say yemfa soja fo nkogu ho. Na oni onyina ho nka hwe. Na enipa kura edidi ne sachet water ne ade onom no ode atofom. Wo de to ho ani ama prae. Wo pra wanawa, wo de besu nyansa. Enti se ne ede tumi ahya ne nsa no ono anhwe me ya amfa anya adwuma. Kakra bi ana there's little that you and I can do. Enti SSA ma ya dwene course say emra ne ade a ya hye ne bebre policies fe nyina eba implementation. Na say ye nya the willpower if we are thinking about the next election but not the next generation there. Ene na ye wa asem no po. Enti how pa me see so fi Cape Coast ma Winneba sa kwan so e ba Accra. Ubetumi di 2 hours. Na unu kaswa enso paimu ono behwe manke kwan e bia ya biem ana ye ne ye no ono ba moto di nanim so enti say other countries here say minister prime minister wan obia obafu train obafo basa train nya onhwe me yenye ne ye obaye na ha no minister no oba no moto ked di nanim nti nwen wa fa ho ontia de na say the psychology
minister bia
asam na make company me say anya minister bia ministers ahe na om di traffic im se ebe kan no kra omumu ahe na di traffic im se ne bia me no me opany e dabi me say some minister o program wo Cape Coast na all this abudumburam kwan traffic im ebe 3 hours okoba ba ye wo mem na onobo asamo boatin onu ko di be 2 hours oba obe complain here o sa budumburam ho no omodwi kwan no ho
ba kan kra and MPP ya ade kakra president
David
issue statement
open o kasa men kan okra that means that men kan okra
man kan yi sorry dia me pa era facha dia me pa cha ni say and MPP unimza sa ade na ko
me person na say
any presidency e won yen to the extent say you cramp
man vanya adwuma steka
o say
man vanya adwuma
oh ba bebre so dia yo
bebre so anfanye
oh okay but at least you try
what I'm driving at me say miniati say nipa na obehwe me say Rose minister and no akofa poku ase kwan ni wadi 1 hour wo so a nti wo fi say oba no officer bibia nkana dwen that's what I'm saying say
and doc my own say sticker can send be earlier emu kakari a metwen dey abeka dey wo kan fa road minister no ho say then to the appointing authority nipa na wo appointing the na road ministry no otiase oti road ase
na minister we no ya adwuma
oh men ka minister we ase
we no abo adwuma
men ka masem
ha no we adwuma wa ye na
ka men ka masem nwie minim be ya wo kan ko ba men ka me dey nwie I'm not referring to Amakwanta because if for nothing at all bit say kwabro usu aduomi your road engineer ankasa and if somebody like that or appointed the local road minister he has a fair idea what goes in there
appointed no one has a combination teamwork
honorable okay I see so a politician but miniati say ye adwen say ye be ni ye wo ka ye wo afidie ehyen na ye use no ye say it must be road worthy and we have some of our roads that are not vehicle worthy enti unam na say sabi commercial vehicle na ye kana ye hwe even the courses sometimes yes driver no obi o ha yes sabi ono so na dwene nya adwuma say poto o ho na ode abom na opentem because ono ne shocks na ene ne time ahe na asai o sa akwan na enye no so nti o so oyere no ho kododo na ne tie say otumi atofofro enti still me see me blame leadership say niam be yi a if leadership na wakwa akoto metro mass aba yes ye mfa nipa obi tim ono oto ticket in discard gumboto me no me na mekwa akohwe adenti na akwa amanfofro so yes nipa no kra there's little interaction
onji sikampo
ono want to me nyiska no machine how this can ashim ana na ye ha de human interaction no ya bureaucratic corruption ya na ye sheda maniama na e bebre hunyan se ne be ya obi enkwan mu be ye denti
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean Taki?